Fresh air should always be available for you and your loved ones. The LVH-132 Compact True HEPA Air Purifier can make that happen. 3 stages of filtration catch dust particles, absorb odors, and capture 99.97% of airborne contaminants as small as 0.3 microns. The touch control panel lets you adjust the Levoit 132's 3 fan speeds when you need extra power. The compact frame is easy to move from room to room. Low noise levels ensure the purifier won't be a distraction while you work. The night light can be turned on when it's time for bed, or when you want some extra ambience. Make fresh air a day-to-day reality. Create a healthier home with Levoit.